Here's a step-by-step guide to create a competitive content marketing strategy. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve through content marketing, e.g. increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales. 2. Conduct a competitive analysis. Research your competitors' content strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. 3. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. 4. Develop a unique value proposition. Clearly define what sets your brand apart from others. 5. Choose the right channels. Select the most effective channels for your audience, e.g. blog, social media, email, video. 6. Create high-quality, engaging content. Develop content that resonates with your audience and addresses their needs. 7. Optimize for SEO. Ensure your content is optimized for search engines to improve visibility. 8. Repurpose and update content. Extend the life of your content by repurposing and updating it. 9. Measure and analyze. Track your content performance using metrics like engagement, lead generation, and conversion outputs. 10. Adjust and refine. Refine your strategy based on your analytics to improve future content marketing efforts. Additionally, consider the following tips to enhance your content marketing strategy. Use storytelling techniques to connect with your audience. Utilize user-generated content, UGC, and influencer partnerships. Leverage email newsletters and subscription-based models. Create interactive content like quizzes, polls, and webinars. Utilize account-based marketing, ABM, for targeted efforts. Run contests and giveaways to encourage engagement. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!